What's going on, guys? Ravi Abuvala here. I'm actually in Agra, India at the Taj Mahal, as you can see here, one of the 7 wonders of the world. I just checked it out. Absolutely unbelievable. Give me 60 seconds of your time. I want to talk about why travel is important. So it's not just because it lowers the barrier. It essentially abolishes discrimination. It gets rid of the mentality that I'm the best or we're the best or I know exactly how everything works, because you see a whole different side of the world, how they operate, how they work, what their customs and values are, and you can integrate it when you go back home in your home country. But the reason I want to tell you why travel is important in the essence of business is because since I've been here, I've only really had 1 to 2 hours a day in order to work on my business. Not like in the United States where I can work 8 to 9 hours if I wanted to. Here it's like literally 1 to 2 hours a day, either because of the time zone difference, I'm 12 and a half hours ahead of California, or 2, just because we've been traveling all day. I'm going to like 8 or 9 cities in 14 days here in India. And so it's important for those 1 to 2 hours for me to focus on the stuff that moves my business forward. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about. Travel forces you to get focus and clarity on what's important in your business, because you don't have the time to check email for 6 hours or to chat aimlessly with friends or whatever it is. You have to do the stuff that moves the needle forward. So when I get up, I do my tracking for my business right away. I check my paid ads, I talk to my team, and then it's literally just lead generation or setting appointments or doing fulfillment for my team. But we boil it down to the absolute bare minimum. So use travel. If you don't have a lot of clarity in your life right now, use travel as a way or an excuse in order to force yourself to figure out what is important, which should be setting appointments and taking appointments, but force yourself to figure out what's important, where are you the bottleneck in your company, and what you can eliminate so that you can have more free time to either travel, enjoy life, spend time with friends and family, or even better, to make more money and create more impact. I'll talk to you guys soon.